you've got a giant bird. It's on your shoulder. Kiss that bird. Give that bird a name. Check to make sure if you named it properly, make sure it's a boy or girl. You're going to look better than that, Thomas. And now, that bird's super glued to your finger, Thomas to your shoulder. It's got diarrhea. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off and all gone. Sleep. Way down. Limp, loose, and relaxed. That's right. Sarah, come with me. I'm not going to hypnotize you. I just need to use you. Come with me. You'll enjoy this. What's your name? Anthony. Stay right here. Anthony, you become a bird thief. Okay? Besides, I know you want to meet Thomas. Yeah. You hold that bird right here on your finger. Thomas, in a moment, a gentleman off to your left has stolen your bird. You're really upset at him. Yell at him and scream at him for stealing your bird. Thomas, awaken right now. He's got your bird.
What the hell are you doing with my bird?
Go get it, Thomas. Tell him not to take it again.
Don't take it. Where? No.
Give him his bird.
I want my bird.
Okay, you've got it now, Thomas. You've got it. You've got it. What's your bird's name?
Harry.
Harry? What color is it?
Blue.
Blue. It just turned red. Thomas, something really weird will happen now. In a moment, I'm going to snap my fingers. I'm invisible. All you see is a floating microphone. You toss your bird because you can't believe it. Look at me right now. I'm invisible. I'm over here, Thomas. I'm back. What's going on?
My bird's gone.
Where'd I go? What do you mean you don't know where I went?
I didn't see you.
I'm right here. You see me now?
What are you doing here?
I'm invisible again. I'm back. What's going on, man?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I see you, but I don't.
What do you mean you don't see me?
I don't know why.
What do you see instead of me?
Just this.
It's a microphone. What was it doing?
It just kept going around and around.
Where was I?
I don't know. Where were you?
Like this? I'm back. Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you, man?
Okay.
Did you do drugs when you were younger?
No.
Never took LSD or anything like that?
No.
Are you positive?
Oh, yeah.
I think we all are. Have a seat right here. That's right. Now, as you sit down, Thomas, I want you to notice when I snap my fingers, Raquel's back, and she wants to sit on your lap. Thomas, who's that?
Raquel.
Raquel who?
Raquel Welsh.
How did you meet her?
I don't know.
I know you don't know. Just sleep way down. Make some noise for him, please.